the Water Festival is a traditional festival of many Southeast Asian countries, and the name varies throughout different countries in Southeast Asia. For example, I'm from Thailand. We call it Songkran in Thailand.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's really hot today, and I think everybody here is having fun.
Would like this opportunity to be an event that can also foster communication between Southeast Asian students and Chinese students. So we also open up this event for a lot of on-campus Chinese students to join us and to celebrate this joyful New Year event with us. Yeah.